already know what it is. A100, Matt Holden in this bitch. You already know. Matt Holden in this bitch. That mean loyalty and love. Hey, 100 in this bitch, nigga. I shoot at your skull. I get it in. Hey, we stacking bread. Disrespect might clap your head. I need a job. Before I fuck around, leave one of these pussies dead. Man, I'm trying to get to it. These niggas, they don't even know the struggle. They talking about the motherfucking bread they getting, but these pussy ass niggas don't know my struggle. They don't know no hustle. They don't know no grind. Pussy ass nigga about to run out of time, and I ain't never been the type to drop no dime. What it is, nigga, you can't even pay my fine. Better respect my mind. I spit real shit. Got a problem that you can't deal with. What it is, I got real clips. This shit's big, nigga. I got real clips. Don't fuck with me. I fuck with you. Got a motherfucking like W. I'll hustle you. Run up on you, straight muscle you. Don't fuck with dude. Hey, I got some goons like Matt. Them niggas hit your ass with that. Hit your ass in your fucking chest like what it is. Damn, he done put me on my motherfucking back. Yeah, straight like that. Stanley Sticks, nigga, I'm about to put it on the map. Y'all niggas gonna be shitting on the shit like a motherfucker done took a motherfucking crap. Damn, I'm out the fucking chain. So fucking high, got weed on my brain. I'm so motherfucking good right now. Hey, I got so much money, can't even complain. Ha. Now I'm kinda broke now. Ha, y'all laughing, y'all niggas jokes now. I don't give a fuck, I got the motherfucking knife and I'm probably gonna come to your fucking throat now. Ha, it can go down. Hey, I spit for a motherfucking hour. Go fuck a bitch, after that I get done, I go to the house, take a motherfucking shower. Fuck a coward, fuck a fake nigga. Tell them motherfucking pussies don't play with us. Me and Matt Holden, nigga, we spray triggers. And all you motherfucking little fake niggas. Yeah, fuck ass boys. Ha, y'all niggas talk no noise. Ha. Thought y'all tough, guess what? Till I brought out them big toys. AK-47s and Max, nigga. What it is, nigga? Y'all get the shit cracked, nigga. Straight like that, nigga. Put you on your back, nigga. Straight flat, nigga. Give me that, nigga. Ha. Run up on me.
Yeah, I'll give you that, nigga. I'll give you that, nigga.
And it's a rap, nigga. Like that, nigga.
Jesus.
You on that shit?
Let me hear it. Is that beat still going?
Yeah.